हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ कुलदीप एंड वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल नॉलेज विकीपीडिया। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अपनी टॉप 10 बी स्कूल सीरीज़ के 9th पार्ट की एंड जिसमें मैं ऑलरेडी 8 पार्ट्स कवर कर चुका हूं एंड द 9th पार्ट विल बी on the topic of Sahit Sukhdev College of Business Studies. Yes, this is the well-known and most prestigious college of business studies in India. So those who are targeting for the Sahit Sukhdev College, those who are targeting for the Delhi University, they know that what is the value of Sahit Sukhdev College of Business Studies. So we will be discussing each and everything about the college, its infrastructure, its establishment, its courses, what is the fees, how is the admission takes place and what is the placement. So as I have already discussed that we are going to complete this series according to the BBA program. So I will be more focusing on the BBA program, its entrance examination and what is the placement after the BMS program. So stay till the last so that you should not skip any of this information. And if you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that my upcoming videos can come to you on a regular basis. So let's start the content. First of all, we will be discussing about the establishment. So the college was established in the year 1987 in the month of August. Sahit Sukhdev College of Business Studies is recognized with the NAAC. It has been accredited A+ category by NAC, recognized by UGC and Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Next, we will what are the programs offered by the Sahit Sukhdev College is the main focus of the college on the programs is BMS, that is Bachelor of Management Studies, BFIA, Bachelor of Financial Investment Analysis, and BBE, Bachelor of Business Economics. So these are the three main courses which are very popular of Sahit Sukhdev College of Business Studies. Okay, so let's discuss that what are the seats of BMS and BFIA. So BMS Sukhdev College is having 185 seats and for BFIA it is having 99 seats. Okay. If we come under the category of fee structures, the fee structure for the BMS program is 45,000. This is total fees for whole 3 years, and for BFIA program the fees is 20,000 per year. So approximately we can say 60,000 annually. So this is a very reasonable price which gives ROI into many multiple number of times. Okay, like that you will come to know about that what is the placement of Sahit Sukhdev College, then you will be able to calculate that what is the ROI of this college. Next is, let's discuss the eligibility. So the eligibility of the program for BMS, BFIA and BBE is the student must have cleared 12th class with a minimum 60% and the compulsory subjects in top 4 is English and Maths, means these two subjects are compulsory to be eligible to fill the form of the BMS, BFI and BBE programs. And as I told you that what is DUJET, so here comes the answer that DUJET is Delhi University Joint Admission Test. This is a common test for these three courses by which the student can get into the admission into the Sahit Sukhdev College of Business Studies. So the student have to fill this form for the admission purpose. After filling this form, the student have to appear for the entrance examination, and after getting cleared the entrance examination, the consolidated rank is to be taken of 35% of the 12th class percentage and 65% of your DUJET entrance examination. Then a consolidated rank is to be posted on the notice board, and after that student came to know that they have get selected for the Sahit Sukhdev College of Business Studies or BMS program or not. So this is the admission criteria. Actually I have tell in advance which I supposed to tell in the later part. So this is all about DUJET and entrance examination. Okay, so the ratio already told, 35 of 12th, 65% of entrance examination. So definitely 12th class percentage also matters in DUJET entrance examination. Okay, let's discuss the examination pattern of the DUJET. So the examination pattern is totally online. The student have to sit on the system to give the paper online. There will be no offline mode. Difficulty level is moderate, means not very easy, not very typical, but definitely a good standard of paper used to come in DUJET. There will be multiple choice question paper in the DUJET entrance exam, and for each answer, correct answer you will be marking +4 and for negative answer you will be marked will be -1. So here student have to little bit cautious that they should not mark each and every answer. Okay, so this is all about the examination pattern. Let's I must tell you that what is the time for the application release of the DUJET application. So the DUJET releases its application for DUJET approximately first to second week of May, and examination held in the month of June first week to July first week. Means this is a tentative time. Sometimes it used to happen in the June 7 to 8 approximately, 7 to 10, or because of some other reasons it can shift it towards the July as well. So these are the examination months for the DUJET program. As I have told about the pattern of the DUJET program, so I must discuss that what are the subjects will be coming into the DUJET program. DUJET entrance examination. So basically there will be 5 subjects. So the first one is English, or we can call it verbal ability. Second is general knowledge, which will be including your static GK, your general awareness means current affairs, and last part is corporate GK. So this will be the GK part. Next is quantitative analysis or maths we can say, then logical reasoning, and last one is data interpretation. So these will be the 5 subjects, and total 100 questions will be there into the paper, and marking will be +4 and -1 for the correct answer and negative answer respectively. So this is the examination pattern for the entrance exam of DUJET program. Because DUJET is one of the most favorable college or most of the target and dream college of the students. So here I would like to tell you some of the facts about the entrance examination, that how many students used to sit into the paper. So approximately I have a figure of, in 2018 the total applicants were 18,609, approximately 18,000 plus 18,600 the students those who sit into the examination. Out of this number, approximately 500 students were uneligible. Uneligible means they filled the form, they sit for the paper, and after giving the paper they came to know that they are not eligible for the, because some of the other reason, like they might be not having 60% in 12th, they might not be having most of the people, they fill the form wrongly, and then they came to know that yes, this thing is left and the application form got rejected. So approximately 500 was uneligible. So remaining 7,560 were the students those who solved even less than 33% of the questions out of 100%. इसका मतलब ये है कि 7,500 बच्चे कुछ ऐसे थे जिन्होंने 33% में से भी कम पेपर यानी कम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करे. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि दे वर नॉट सीरियस एट ऑल अबाउट दी स्टडीज़, यानी कि जो बच्चा पासिंग मार्क्स के नियर बाय भी पेपर सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा है तो वो सीरियस नहीं है एक तरीके से. नाउ ओनली 3,000 स्टूडेंट्स लेफ्ट who solved the question paper approximately nearby to the 50%, means 50 questions out of 100. So here I would like to tell you that there is a ratio of 1:3. 1:3 is like कि अभी जो स्टार्टिंग में मैंने फिगर बताया 18,600 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, जिसमें से मैंने जो अभी कैटेगराइज करा कि इतने बच्चे अनएलिजिबल हो गए, इतने में से 33% ने 33% से भी कम पेपर जो है क्वेश्चंस अटैम्प्ट किए. लास्ट के जो 3,000 थे उन्होंने ही अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 50 करेक्ट क्वेश्चंस और नियर बाय करें. तो जो 3,000 बचे, इट मीन्स दैट यू हैव अ रेशियो ऑफ 1:3, यानी आपको अपने को अगले 3 स्टूडेंट से कम्पीट करना है. सो इसीलिए इतना टिपिकल नहीं है कि आप स्टडी करो आप क्लियर ना कर पाओ, यानी आपको अपने से 3 से 4 बच्चों को कम्पीट करना है एडमिशन लेने के लिए. सो दिस वॉज टोटल सिनेरियो ऑफ entrance examination and approximately numbers for the Shahid Sukhdev College to get clear. Okay, after this I would like to tell you that what was the cutoff of the last years for the students of general category, OBC, SC and ST. तो जो जनरल कैटेगरी का लास्ट एडमिशन के लिए कॉल आया था, द रैंक वाज 174. इसका मतलब ये हो गया, अगर आप 174 पे लास्ट ईयर्स अगर एडमिशन्स के लिए कॉल आया था जनरल कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट को, तो यू मस्ट हैव अ टारगेट ऑफ एटलीस्ट 160 कि मुझे 160 रैंक लेकर आनी ही आनी है इफ़ आई वांट टू गेट इनटू दी सुखदेव कॉलेज. For OBC student, the last call was to the student who got ranked 3701. For SC candidate, it was 7672, and for ST candidate, it was 14083. So again, once again, I'm telling you that what can be the rank for you to set a target ki I must score this rank so that I should get into the Sai Sukhdev College according to your category. So for general category, you have to target at least minimum to minimum 160, that I have to get below 160 to get into the admission into Sai Sukhdev College. For OBC, set a target of 3000 and below that, SC 5000 and below that, and ST 10,000 and below that. तो अगर ये रैंक के लिए आप टारगेट कर रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप सही सुखदेव कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. तो ये कुछ कट ऑफ मैंने बताए थे ताकि बच्चों को एक आइडिया लग जाए कि मुझे इतनी रैंक से नीचे लेकर आना है अगर एडमिशन सही सुखदेव में लेना है. ठीक है. ओके नाउ सो नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस अबाउट दी फैसिलिटीज़ which is offered to the students by the Sai Sukhdev College campus. Means what are the facilities available to the students. So there are a number of facilities which I must tell you in brief. So first of all, we will discuss about the infrastructure. This is not only the infrastructure which attracts the students, because there are certain many other things, but क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स को चाहिए होता है कि मैं जिस भी कॉलेज में जा रहा हूँ उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा हो, उसका गार्डन अच्छा हो, उसका स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स अच्छा हो, फैसिलिटीज़ अच्छी हों, वेल लुकिंग हो. ठीक है. तो इसलिए आई मस्ट टेल यू दैट व्हाट आर द फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल टू द स्टूडेंट्स. सो द कॉलेज इज स्प्रेडेड अक्रॉस अ एरिया ऑफ 5 acres ऑफ लैंड. मीन्स द कॉलेज इज बिल्ट अप इनटू द एरिया ऑफ 5 acres ऑफ लैंड. It is having 7 floors. One of the finest education facilities which is available in India is available into the college. 24-hour CCTV surveillance is there within the campus of the Sai Sukhdev College. Wi-Fi facilities are available within the whole campus. Lift facilities are available. Sports complex are there for the inter and inter college sports competitions. The classrooms are well maintained. AC classrooms are there with audio visual facilities. Underground car parking is there. There is a separate hostel facilities for boys and girls, and that too AC and non-AC both. There is a very full-fledged auditorium with multiple audio-visual halls with a sitting capacity of 500 one at a time. Libraries available within the campus with offline and online mode of books to read for the students. So these are some of the basic facilities. After that, healthcare facilities are also available. Apart from that, yoga centers are also there. Gymnasium is also there within the campus. So these are the facilities for the students. Okay. After that, जिस चीज़ के लिए सही सुखदेव कॉलेज जाना जाता है, जिसकी वजह से उसका ब्रांड वैल्यू है, एक बार मैं उसको भी डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ. तो अगर मैं बात करूं अबाउट द फैकल्टी, सो द फैकल्टी ऑफ द सई सुखदेव कॉलेज इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड फाइनेस्ट and very well experienced, which has been selected for the from top 20 or top 10 B schools in India, like IIMs of India. Let's discuss about the study structure and study pattern of Sai Sukhdev College of Business Studies. As you are studying BMS program, and BMS program, after BMS program you are going to serve the corporate world. So the having mind this thing, the students is to be nurtured according to that. So there is a practical and presentation exposure of the students after completing the theory pattern as well. So whatever you're studying in theoretical parts, that is to be performed practically, so that at least you should come to know that what is the purpose of studying theory, which can be applied in our corporate world. Case studies are used to happen to develop the critical thinking to work into the corporate level. So this is one of the part. Internships and live projects are there, because every year in BMS you have to go for a live project or a internships into the company or corporate, so that you can understand the pattern of working into corporate. You can understand the skills they are applying. You can understand the the employee behavior within the corporate world, which you are going to face in your coming years. Okay. So the practical knowledge is to be given to the students. Next, so what else is Sai Sukhdev College is famous for? I must tell you, The first thing is that it is automatically one of the best and prestigious college in whole of the Southeast Asia. I am talking of Asia, a continent, not only in India. So this is one of the well and renowned college. Secondly, why it is famous, why the most of the people think it as a dream college is, in 2020, Shahid Sukhdev College has won a global laurel for India at a global case competition in Harvard Business School, which is considered as one of the best B schools of the world. So there was a competition on case study which was won by the Shahid Sukhdev College Business Studies. So आप इससे अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि what is the level of Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. What else can be the reason for which Shahid Sukhdev College is famous? It is having its own incubation center. Yes, no other college in India it is having incubation center. Shahid Sukhdev College is having its own incubation center, which was founded in the year 2016 with the support of Government of NCT of Delhi. So it is called as ISSF, Shahid Sukhdev College Innovation and Incubation Foundation. So this was the name. It was started in 2016 to give a platform to start their startups, to start their entrepreneurs, those who want to start their career by building their companies, their own companies. So it helps, this SSIF helps the students to nurture the students, to help them, to give their the whole support to develop their entrepreneurship skills and to develop their business. And these are the points which makes it Shahid Sukhdev College one of the best college and prestigious to study. Okay, last and not least, because students जिस चीज़ के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं वो मैं बता देता हूँ कि Shahid Sukhdev कॉलेज फेमस क्यों है. उसका एक रीज़न ये है कि Shahid Sukhdev कॉलेज इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट अक्रॉस इंडिया in the whole of the BMS programs or after the management programs. So in the year 2019, the average placement was 7 lakh and the highest placement was 18 lakhs. And so in the last few years, it is approximately increasing and increasing. So this was the average placement in 2019. It was 7 lakhs was the highest. 7 lakh was the average and 18 lakhs was the highest. So what are the organizations which is coming to the college for getting the students for the placement is like McKinsey, Bain, KPMG, Deloitte, Accenture, Zomato, BCG, LinkedIn, Google. तो आपने इन सबकी कंपनीज के एक दो नाम नहीं भी सुने होंगे, कईयों के सुने होंगे. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको एटलीस्ट आइडिया लग जाए कि किस लेवल की कंपनीज जो है प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए आती हैं शहीद सुखदेव कॉलेज बिजनेस स्टडीज़ में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये था सारा शहीद सुखदेव कॉलेज बिजनेस स्टडीज़ का एक तरीके से ओवरऑल रिव्यू. और अभी बिकॉज आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो ऑन 17th of February, so in maybe after boards examinations or maybe in the mid of the examinations, the Delhi University will release its application form. Those who are targeting for DUJET, they must fill the form. They must fill the form and should not skip the entrance closing dates. Okay, so I hope I have covered and tried to cover a lot of points. Maybe if few points are left, if any point is left, you can ask, which is coming in your mind, you can ask under the comment box. And if any feedback you want to give, you can give the feedback. Your feedbacks are very valuable to me, which makes me to improve my videos and to give in-depth knowledge of the colleges and the course structures. तो ये कॉलेज था शहीद सुखदेव कॉलेज, जो सबका ड्रीम कॉलेज होता है. आई विश ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स for the entrance examinations and their boards examinations as well, they should get their dream college. If they are targeting for Shahid Sukhdev College, they must prepare very well for Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. Okay, so any student, if they want to prepare for the DUJET entrance examination, not only for DUJET means Shahid Sukhdev College, but also others like IP, Jamia, Symbiosis, Bharati Vidyapeeth, NIMS, Law and other colleges, so they can contact me on my contact number, because I am associated with one of the major and one of the best institute to prepare the students after 12th standard for these entrance examinations. So ping me if you want to prepare for the entrance examinations. So the fresh batch has been started recently, and so this is all about the today's video, and I will be meeting up in my next video and last part of the top 10 B school series in India. तो जिसने भी बाकी के 8 कॉलेज नहीं देखे हैं वो जा सकता है नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, बाकी के 8 कॉलेजेस, इसको मिला के 9 कॉलेजेस हो गए, तो वो सारी वीडियोस को मैंने प्लेलिस्ट में डाल रखा है टॉप 10 बी स्कूल्स, उसमें जाके देख सकते हैं। और अगर कोई क्वेरीज हो तो वो मेरे से बात कर सकते हैं, मैसेज कर सकते हैं, व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, थैंक्स अ लॉट।